Was late as we couldn't locate the place. But the master was kind enough to wait for us to conduct the session. Great unique experience for a family to learn about ninja culture and lots of photos taken for memories. Secret Sensei was very knowledgeable and willing to share and teach. His English was good too, communication was easy. It was a great way to learn about ninja history and culture. We also got to practice some moves and took great photos and videos. We had a lot of fun. It was so much fun, Tilda. The teacher taught the class slowly in English, so the children were able to hang out together without difficulty. There were various photo times and it was a unique experience. It will be a fun time for everyone. The course was good because there was highly recommended, very enjoyable, would do it again. Amazing service, amazing game, amazing place for photo. We booked this activity a month before we was due to fly to Japan. We met the ninja master who runs the class today, and he is such a very nice man. He made us feel so relaxed and he was teaching us how to become ninja warriors. We arrived early, half an hour before our actual book time, and he allowed us to start the class early. Very nice, friendly man. We had such an amazing time with him. I would advise anyone wanting to go and have a ninja experience for 45 minutes. It's very super fun. Both adults and children had a great experience. Party face emoji, ninja emoji. The instructor was very professional and taught knowledge about ninja emoji, in simple and easy to understand English. He also used different sound and lighting effects to make us crazy about taking pictures. In order to let us have fun and make the short film more effective, the instructor ninja emoji. Very funny experience. Our host was very nice and spoke great English. Learned lots of interesting facts about ninja culture whilst also having lots of laughs. Got to try out many different ninja weapons and got many photo opportunities. We all had a fantastic time. Was a tad confusing to get to. Take exit 3 from Dobutsuen Station if you're taking the metro. I've included a photo of the building. The ninja master was really patient with the kids and the adults. Definitely one of the highlights of very enjoyable experience and fun family time. Great photo opportunities too. The sensei was a funny, knowledgeable dude. It was friendly and fun. The kids had fun learning how to use ninja steps, weapons, and shuriken. They also gave a lot of photo time. The time was right and it was worth experiencing at least once. It's right in front of the subway station, so it's easy. Very special experience. Japanese ninja emoji culture. My son was very happy. Me and my friend are in our early 30s and thought it might be a silly or for children, but it was so good. We had such a good time and the teacher was fantastic and very informative and made the class really enjoyable. Highly recommend. Awesome photos, awesome training. Even if I had problems with coordination, the ninja sensei was so lovely. Just do it. It's a very nice experience and you can take many pictures. Thank you so much. The location is near the zoo station. The activity can satisfy the children's desire to play ninja. The children had a lot of fun. The instructor spoke good English and learned ninja skills such as walking, shuriken, and ninja swords. They were given enough